Good morning, dear children. Welcome all of you to this social studies class where we are going to discuss the chapter from geography named industries. So, we have discussed the various factors which affects the location of industries in our country. Next, we'll discuss about the industrial system prevalent in our country. An industrial system means it consists of inputs, processes, and outputs. So, here the inputs are the raw materials, labor, and the cost of land, transport, power, and other infrastructure. So, children, you would have studied these inputs, output, isn't it? Processing units, all in your computer subject. So, there you would have studied about the inputs that we apply and through the processing, how it has been converted into output. And what are the various input devices, output devices, and the processing units. So here also, this is also the industry means it is also a system where it comprises of various inputs, processes, and outputs. So what are the various inputs? The inputs means the various raw materials required to produce the required output. So various raw materials, what all the particular output we need, we have to provide the suitable raw materials for the finished products or the final products. And more than these raw materials, labor is required. Then land is required, transportation is required, power and other infrastructural facilities are also required. I told you about the infrastructural facilities means, yes, for the various transportation like roads, railways, ports, various ports, seaports, airports, bridges. Yes, so these are the various infrastructural facilities required for the smooth functioning of the industries. And this processes includes a wide range of activities that convert the raw material into finished products. So children, after applying the required inputs, the next stage is the processing of such inputs that we have provided into that system. So that is a functional relationship that happens between the inputs and the outputs. The production function means it's a functional relationship that shows the relation of inputs and the outputs. So here the processes include a wide range of activities that convert the raw material into finished products. Then the outputs are the end product and the income earned from it. So children, through the various processes that we have converted the provided inputs into the final output, and they are the end products also. That means the finished products that is ready for the sale. So we will, yes, sell such goods in the market and we'll earn income from it. So this is the industrial system in our economy. So here in this system, it actually explains the relationship between the inputs and the outputs, and through the various processes, this, yes, the relationship also get function. Next, we'll discuss about the distribution of major industries. So children, you would have studied about the industries in your earlier classes. Please recollect what are the industries that you would have studied. Yes, textile industries, iron and steel industries, information technology industries, and the various industries you would have studied in your earlier classes. So, here we'll discuss about the textile industry. The countries in which iron and steel industry is located are Germany, USA, China, Japan, and Russia. So these are the various countries where the iron and steel industries are located. And the textile industries, they are concentrated in other countries. Which are they? India, Hong Kong, South Korea, Japan, and Taiwan. Major textile industries are located in these countries. The next, the major hubs of information technology industries are the Silicon Valley of Central California and the Bangalore region of India. So children, we know that various info technology parks are there in Bangalore city. And major parks are concentrated in these cities. We can see many, yes, infotech companies also in every nook and corners we can see in Bangalore. So these are the various countries where these particular industries are situated. The Tata Iron and Steel Company is Jamshedpur. That is, in short, it is known as TISCO. So it is also established in 1947 and it was privately owned. So this company is a private company. So after independence, the government took the initiation and set up several iron and steel plants. And geographically, Jamshedpur is the most conveniently situated iron and steel center in the country. So children, you would have heard about the company Tata. And when I taught you the lesson about the private and the public companies, I cited this example of Tata company as private company. So this is the important iron and steel company which is located in Jamshedpur, and it was in the year 1947. Next one is Pittsburgh. So here also the steel company. It's an important steel city of America. And various advantages are there in this company. Here we can see the raw materials such as coal is available locally, while the iron ores comes from the iron mines at Minnesota, about 1500 kilometers from Pittsburgh. So children, this is also an important steel city, Pittsburgh. You would have heard this city. So this is an important steel city of the America. And here for this, the steel also is a raw material which is available, yes, locally, and the various iron ores also are available from the nearby iron mines at Minnesota. So children, I hope the information about the various textile industries and the steel industries are precise for you. So thank you children for watching this video.